Hey, vlog. Wait, you're gonna put it on YouTube or what? There's a fire on the screen. No, it's not at all. Those are parking lot. What is those two? Hey, you would have fucking burned that. I'm gonna say it. Yeah, you guys going on in school. Oh, shit. Mi madre, güey. Mira todos estos niños que están aquí. Why the fuck would you pick that up? Put it down. Put it down. That's a fire. I know. You're going to the same place. I know, that's what I'm trying to tell him. Why are you keeping me on the same way? What?
That's the game, man.
Oh, you started hitting me.
Gayest person alive.
Stop! There's an area for I'm your boy. It's too small.
So you lost it, so now you're gonna have it behind you. No, you don't. You say he's exhausted. No, you just.
I'm gonna beat your ass. He's 6 feet tall.
Oh, I'm gonna see some stuff.
Get that shit out of here.
Must I be touching my dick?
He broke his arm by jerking off so hard his ears on fire. Why you broke your head? Well, you were jerking off today.
Stop jerking your stick in public.
Yeah, stop jerking off in public, guys.
You need to chill out with that. Yeah, you jerk off.
Let's start. I'll put that shit in his mouth. Oh! Oh, your mouth is good.
What is wrong with you?
Like that. I dare you put your finger on the 10 seconds.
Boy, hell no.
That's still recording.
That's how his fingers gonna look like.
Bro, stop looking at my dumb zipper.
Bro, look at that.
You're too fat to be in your zipper.
They annihilated that tree. Watch this.
Oh, shit.
Be gone completely. You put your finger on. Fine line, fine line. Fine line. Fine line.
It's a butterfly.
That makes no sense.
Why Miss Hall over here? You know she has to exercise.
Look at all the kids.
I think you mistaken. Dude, look. Oh, it fell. Torture!
You can't even step on it because you're gonna break all of it. What the fuck is that? Yeah. Instead of jumping over, you're going to move.
It's gonna weaken you 1 second. It's gonna try to move.
Dude, why would you even figure it out? What the fuck?
You guys gonna have to leave that stuff alone. You guys need to find you alone. And use the stick. Don't pick up the stick. Don't mess with the ants. Don't mess with the ants. Leave them alone. Find your line. Find your line.
This is the line, look.
Thank you. What's this? Stop.
Yeah, piece of wood on me.
There's gonna be ants when we come outside.
Why Miss Hall all the way over there? You better do some exercise. Hey, Miss Hall. Miss Hall won't come all the way over here because she's fucking fat. Hey, Miss Hall won't come over here because she's fucking fat. She needs to exercise. Look at her.
He be smoking out here.
All the way down.
Oh, he be dying fast. He said he's dying slow.